Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to upload a KMZ file into your Google Maps. KMZ file can be created using GIS layer exported as KML and then converted to a KMZ file. Once uploaded into your Google Maps, the layer can also be viewed in Google Maps app from your cell phone or tablet. This gives a capability of taking it wherever you want and retrieve the information. So let's get started. Open web browser and go to maps.google.com. You need to sign into your Google account in order for this to work. So log into your Google account with your username and password. Once logged in, click menu and go to your places. Click on maps and select create maps. A secondary page will open where you can upload the KMZ file. Click import and find the file into your computer. Find the KMZ file and click open. The file will be uploaded and the map will be zoomed into the layer. The uploaded map will be available in your places in all your devices. This is how you upload a KMZ file into Google Maps. Thank you for watching.